Good morning, viewer. Bien Dasyar. Here's a breaking news. Yes, gut bacteria may reduce cholesterol and lower heart disease risks. Researchers pinpointed gut bacteria that affect levels of cholesterol and other compounds linked to heart disease. The findings suggest that the risks of heart disease might be lowered with strategies to alter the levels of specific gut bacteria. Different people have different resident microbes in and on their bodies. The trillions of microbes in the human intestines influence not just digestion, also gut health, but how organs throughout the body function. Levels of certain microbes in the gut have been associated with the risks of health conditions like diabetes, liver disease, and cancer. Scientists have thought that certain gut microbes may also play a role in cardiovascular disease. But which microbes might affect the risks of CVD and how they might do this has been unclear. Much remains unknown about how gut microbes processes or metabolize compounds like cholesterol that affect CVD risks. In a new study funded in part by NIH, researchers led by Dr. Ramnik Xavier from the Broad Institute, Massachusetts General Hospital, and Harvard studied bacteria and the stool of more than 1,400 people participating in the Framingham Heart Study, a long-term study of heart health. The team analyzed the bacterial genomes, the complete sets of genes in the stool samples. They also studied blood samples and cardiovascular health measurements from the participants to identify microbes and metabolic pathways that are associated with CVD. The results were published on April 2, 2024 in Cell. The researchers identified several species of bacteria whose levels were associated with blood markers of CVD. Such markers included cholesterol, triglyceride, and blood glucose levels. Higher levels of one group of bacteria called Oxalibacter were strongly associated with lower levels of cholesterol both in the stool and the blood. Oxalibacter were also linked with other blood markers of reduced CVD risk such as lower triglycerides and glucose and higher HDL, high density lipoprotein. The reductions in cholesterol by Oxalibacter appear to be related to genes for enzymes that break down cholesterol in the intestines. This might lead to less cholesterol making its way into the bloodstream. BN's exclusive report.